Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to open your job in Google Chrome browser instead of the mobile app. This can be useful if you prefer using the desktop version of the site or need access to browser-only features. Let's get started. On your mobile dashboard, we need to open Google Chrome. Go ahead and tap the Google Chrome browser to open it. Once we are in Google Chrome, type youtube.com in the address bar, or select it if it's already saved. If we type youtube.com and press enter, we will be redirected to the app instead of the browser. To fix this, we need to go back to Google Chrome and tap the three dots in the top corner. Tap those three dots. Once we tap that, a list of options will appear. Scroll down and tap Desktop Site. Once we tap this, YouTube will no longer redirect us to the app. From now on, YouTube will open directly in the Chrome browser. And that's it. We have successfully opened YouTube in the Chrome browser instead of the app. Now we can enjoy the full browser experience and access all the features available.